In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Coursera account. If you're ready to learn new skills online, Coursera is a great place to start. Creating your account is quick, and once it's done, you'll be able to browse courses, save programs, and enroll whenever you're ready. I'll walk you through the process step by step, explain what each option means, and share a few practical tips so you feel confident as you go. Open your favorite web browser on a computer or phone, and let's begin. First, go to Coursera.org. Type the address carefully to make sure you're on the official site, and wait for the homepage to load. At the top of the page, you'll see a navigation bar. Look toward the upper right corner for the Sign Up link. It may appear next to Log In. Click Sign Up. This opens the account creation page where you can either enter your details manually or use a connected account to speed things up. Both approaches are fine. The choice depends on what you prefer. If you want the fastest route, you can sign up with your Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. Clicking one of those buttons will prompt you to approve the connection. This links Coursera to that existing account, so you don't need a separate password. Use this option if you like streamlined sign-ins and you're comfortable keeping things in one place. Just remember that in the future, you should continue logging in with the same method you chose today, since your Coursera profile will be tied to that account's email. Prefer to keep it separate? Choose the form that asks for your name and email address, then create a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters. For better security, make it longer and mix letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid personal details and consider using a password manager to store it securely. Review the information for accuracy, then click Join for free. That's the button that completes your account setup. Give the page a moment to process. Once it's done, you're ready to explore courses and start building your learning plan. If anything doesn't look right, like a field highlighted in red, double-check your spelling and try again. If you clicked Log In by mistake, look for the Sign Up option and switch back. And as a helpful habit, keep your browser up to date and only enter details on secure sites. That's all you need to create your Coursera account.